Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace cartridge for the KS8727DXBS. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Here are a few things you are going to need: a screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, cartridge part KSRPL5000CC, and KSRPL5000HC. Next, make sure to shut off both water supply lines. Begin by removing handle button on top of handle. Loosen set screws on the inside with a screwdriver and remove handle. Carefully unscrew and remove escutcheon. Next, loosen cartridge with adjustable wrench. Carefully remove old cartridge out. Insert and thread new cartridge. Tighten cartridge with adjustable wrench. Thread escutcheon back on. Insert handle and tighten the screw. And finally, the handle button. Before we finish, make sure to turn water supply back on and check for leaks. That's it. You have successfully completed the cartridge replacement.